Being in the beauty industry can be lots of fun sometimes, but there can also be times to where you feel burnt out or just not inspired anymore. So in today's video, I'm going to share some helpful things that I like to do to stay inspired or get inspired, and hopefully these things can help you too. So stay tuned to enjoy the rest of this video. So the first thing that I like to do is I love to watch my favorite YouTubers that inspire me. Some of them are hairstylists, some of them are just business women, and they make such inspirational videos to where it inspires me to go out and, get inspired or get motivated again. So I have a handful of YouTubers that I watch consistently. One of them her name is Amber Mellon, and she makes salon suite videos, which that's one of my goals. So I watch those videos to stay inspired and motivated and keep my eye on the prize. And another girl that I like to watch, her name is Natasha, and she makes like videos on, creating your dream life and just stuff like that, and she's so inspiring. Her video content is out of this world, so I love her videos as well. So you guys just find some inspirational videos that you like to watch and let it get you in the groove of things so you can get inspired, girl. So the next thing that I am completely obsessed with, I love notebooks, journals, diaries, whatever you want to call it. If it's cute, I'm buying it, girl. I would say I collect these things. Like, what it looks like is just a whole bunch of nothing, but look, they all serve a purpose. I have a notebook that's dedicated to my YouTube channel. I have one that's dedicated to future business ideas that I have, business names, or some to just write down anything that I may feel. And even if it's not hair related, just start journaling and look at your progress. Once you start writing down your goals, and once you get to the point where you can cross those goals off, you'll feel so accomplished being that you wrote them down. So if you're not writing your goals down, I would recommend to definitely start doing so, and write down your future goals in your business, in the beauty industry, in the whatever creative field you are in. Just start writing and get inspired. Get lost in the paper. Next thing that I absolutely love doing is getting on Pinterest. You guys, I can get lost in Pinterest because it's never ending. You click on one photo and there's tons of photos under that photo that you might like, and you can just totally get lost in Pinterest. And I tend to go there for tons of creative inspiration, whether it's hair or salon ideas, decor, fashion. Sometimes I like to just take a step back from everything, and it doesn't even have to be hair related. So I get on there, I do pin tons of hairstyles, and that sparks some energy in me to want to try that hairstyle out on somebody. So definitely get on Pinterest. If you're not on there, get lost, get inspired, and inspiration is going to cause you to get motivated. Oh my God. So get to it. And totally disregard my tore up phone and my raggedy nails, okay? Drop down in the comment section below and let me know what are your favorite things to do to get inspired. Even if you're not in the beauty industry, drop them down below. I would love to hear what you guys do, and maybe I can try them out sometimes too. So this last thing that I absolutely must do, something that I really love doing, is I would recommend for you to go to your favorite place, and my favorite place happens to be downtown Savannah. You guys, I'm from Savannah. It's just beautiful down there. I love the Spanish moss, the flowers, the squares that we have down there, River Street. I just love the downtown atmosphere. It's so beautiful, it's so charming. And sometimes I just go down there to just get inspired, or like I said, to even just take a step back from everything, and that just sparks something in me to just, even when you just take a step back from, if you're a hairstylist, any type of creative business, just take a step back from it sometimes, and you can find some inspiration from going to your favorite place. It doesn't have to be always indulge in whatever your creative business is. Sometimes your inspiration comes from something outside of that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed putting this video together for you guys, and I hope you got some inspiration from this video. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also check out the videos that pop up on your screen right now. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.